To enter labour manufacturing time for the main items, we're going to concentrate on this area of the worksheet only. Now, if we were to look at item B1, we need to find out on plan where that is. We'll refer back to PlanSwift. Now there's the B1. We could search for the items. We need to locate where that has come from. So go to the page where it came from, S20, light it up, and it tells us where they are. To enter the labour can be done in detail using the activities here for welding, cutting, grinding. Those items have rates pre-entered, but they can be varied, the rates per metre. Or we could be generalising for those three beams. Quite simple. 10 hours a tonne calculates the labour, 8.56 hours. It's totalled up and adds to the total workshop hours. Doing it another way, 2 hours for cutting, 6 hours in the workshop. Once again, gives us the tonne rate and how many hours total for those items. If we do it for B2, 8 beams, automatically tells us it's 19 hours a tonne. We might want to change that. As we're going through and adding each item labour, the check labour showing here is disappearing and giving us the information. At all times up at the top of the page, it's showing that labour is not entered, so there are items unallocated labour. If this B4 was an item that didn't require any labour, entering no removes it and removes the tag that the labour is not entered. Now we could go through and do this breakup of labour for all the items. But if there's an option just generalising for a rate per tonne, as you go through and enter the individual items, it gives you a total workshop hours and tells you how many hours per tonne all that steel is. Now we can put a rate per tonne for the whole job. That will calculate all the hours that's required on this job in the workshop. It's not breaking up and saying labour's entered because it's overridden all these, and it's still making you check that you've catered for all the labour.